students, this is Namrata from Semstar Global School, and today we are going to discuss our chapter 13, that is going to school. In the previous video we have started with this chapter, and in this chapter we have discussed about the learning outcomes, that what we will learn, like different ways of reaching school, about different local transports that are used or that are using by the people to reaching the school, and then the advantages of going to school. In that we have also learned how we will reach to the school. Nowadays, just because of the corona, we are not coming to the school. No, we are coming. Students are not coming to the school. The junior students especially, because 9 to 12th students are coming. And in different parts of the world, how people are reaching to the school. And thereafter we have discussed in India, there are some regions where big rivers or the dams, they have to, not the dams, canals has to be crossed to reaching to the school. So they are using boats and some bamboo bridges. Then we have discussed about the jugaad. Do you know what is a jugaad? Jugaad is a vehicle that is made with with two parts. First part is the engine of the bike, and the second part is the cart. See, here you can see. This jugaad is basically used in the Rajasthan, and here as you can see the camel cart. This camel cart also used in Rajasthan, because camels are easily available over there and they can walk for more distances in very short time. Okay. And now I am going to discuss determination to receive an education. Our next topic is determination to receive an education. See, I know that it is very difficult for some students to reach the school, because there are some hurdles that they are crossing when they have to reach the school. Some of the students have to cross a river, some have to cross a valley, some have to cross a snowy valley. So if you want to reach the school, if you want to get an education, no one can stop you. So that is all up to you, how you are determined to reach to an education. Okay. So if you are having that will that you want to get an education, no one can stop you. Okay. Have you seen some children are roaming and they are collecting the garbage and they are selling it, then they are having something to eat. They are also willing to go to the school, but they can't because they have to do work. Then they can get the food. But the government has launched a night school, or some NGOs are working towards them to provide them an education, and they are also willing to come to over that place there where the education is being provided. And some people are doing good job. They are doing social work. They are providing food as well as education. So children don't need to go for collecting the garbage. They just come over there to having the food. Thereafter they are having the education. So this is all up to you, how you are willing to get an education. Now, advantages of going to school. Our next topic is advantages of going to school. What are the advantages that we are having when we are going to school? See, we can understand the difference between right and wrong thing. Until you are not coming to the school, I know parents are also your first teacher. They are providing you the moral values, but the social social helping we are learning from the school. When you are coming to the school, you learn the share and care thing, how you can share your things, how you can express your feeling, the languages you are learning to the school. These are the advantages. Now education help us to be successful person. Yes, absolutely. It is very important to get a success, and when you can get success, when you are getting the knowledge. It doesn't mean how many marks you obtain. What does matter? The education, the knowledge you are gaining. So it is very important to go to the school. This is the only place where you can get an education. Nowadays, just because of the corona, we are providing you the education online. Okay, and this is the another way that we can get an education. In school, we do various creative activities. Absolutely. Now we are doing virtual activities. You are preparing the things, and now thereafter you are uploading it on the WhatsApp group that has been made for the particular classes. So this is another thing, but it is also being provided from the school, and we interact with our friends. Yes, absolutely, but just because of this pandemic disease, we are now not interacting. But when you are going to the school, you are interacting with your friends. You are sharing the things. When you are not having anything, you are asking from your friend, and they are also learning these things. So these all are the advantages of going to school. See, here it is given few lines. There are some lines there you have to add some more advantages that you are getting when you are going to the school. So here, students, we have done with this chapter. Here in this yellow column it is given knowing is fun. What is that? See, I am going to read this. Education is the right of every child according to the rules of Government of India. Yes, it is the right of every child to get an education. Every school has to keep a specific number of seats. Yes, 25% seat is reserved for the needy people, and a specific number of seats for children from needy backgrounds. That means the students who are not able to pay the fees, and they want to get an education in our school. So this is our responsibility, this is the school's responsibility to reserve some seats for those students those are needy and they are not able to pay that much amount. Okay, so here we have done with this chapter's explanation, and now thereafter we will do the exercises given in your book. So read your book, go through with it, do the exercises by yourself. When I will give you, you have to match it. If something is wrong, you can do corrections for that. Okay.